Hi, my name is Jenna London, and I'm a senior from Seminole, Florida, majoring in merchandising at Florida State University. The main reason I decided to pursue leadership studies was to gain a better understanding of what I valued most and how this could help me be a better leader. In Introduction to Leadership Theories, our objective was to understand our unique role in leadership on campus, in our academic discipline, and within our larger society. But first, we had to establish values that formed our personal basis of morality and ethics. Through the experiences the leadership classes have given me, as well as those I've enjoyed through other relationships, I discovered my personal values and learned my opportunities for growth. I have learned that thinking before I react helps me stay accountable to the values I hold highest. The personal values I hold near and dear to me are diversity, loyalty, and unity. Diversity is essential in every community in the world. Whether it is in a high school football team or a marketing team for a new ad campaign, both need its members to bring unique skills to the table. Having diverse members means more ideas with more facets, which in turn pertain to more people, therefore exponentially spreading across a bigger population. I have had many experiences with teams representing so many different cultures that it's difficult to find a common interest or belief. But in my opinion, the struggle that we went through brought us so much closer together. We no longer focused on each other's differences, but instead on how we could incorporate our cultures together. Our university also values diversity. It's one of the 8 tenets of the Seminole Creed. As students of the Florida State University community, we promise to learn from and about those who are different and work to make the university inclusive. So as a member of many communities, I feel it is vital to foster diversity and value differences in my peers. Before this assignment, I asked my dad what some of his personal values were to see if they were congruent with my own. He spoke about our family and how nothing living on this earth could ever come between us. His loyalty is a virtue that I could not live without. I believe loyalty acts as an umbrella, covering a nearly infinite number of values that are important to everyone. Honesty, integrity, commitment, camaraderie, citizenship, family, friendship, and reliability can all be achieved if loyalty is observed. Being loyal to yourself is having no fear or hesitation in your personal values. I know that once I am connected to an individual, a job, an organization, I am dedicated to the same goal. I am steadfast in my principle that people should not sway their beliefs to cater to someone else. Everyone needs to be their own person and represent their values with a reliability on others, not to take judgment. Leadership and loyalty have a tough relationship because we have to know when to sacrifice our loyalty if our other values are being tested. Unity is the harmony that results when diverse groups find common ground when surrounded by discord. Even if two groups don't necessarily agree on a topic, they can take turns expressing their view, appreciate each other's opinions, and unite to find a better solution. Unity can touch every person in the world at once when it's used for the right reasons. I know when I don't understand something one of my peers is doing, I feel much better confronting the situation and understanding their point of view before forming a negative perception. Unity forms a bond between those that agree and those that disagree, making it a necessity for any step in the leadership process. Leaders have to unite with followers, as well as other leaders, to diversify their perceptions and form relationships that will eventually become loyalties. With this in mind, I believe these personal values will guide me in the right direction to keep beating my own personal best.